Max, are you gonna laugh? Where's Max?
Mom.
Pretty bird.
Mom. Shh. I think my phone's broken.
What, Max? There's Jojo on top. There he's laughing.
He's aiming a butt at you.
What are you doing, Jojo? That's funny, Max. Max thinks it's funny. Max! Max, get in here. What are you doing, Max? Can you kiss?
This is kissing noises.
Max, can you knock? Oh, yeah?
What did he say?
I don't know.
I think he said, eh.
Max, where are you? Pretty bird. What was that? Did you burp? Excuse you, Max. Jojo, you're just being a model bird up there, huh? Connor, get dressed. There's a pretty bird on the top
On top of what?
of Max's cage.
Where's Max?
In the cage.
So Jojo can...
Max!
The what?
What's that, Max? You hear the Furby? Is that funny?
I want to see what happens if I put it...
Connor, get dressed. I don't want... No, Connor, you're like naked. Sorry. Max, what is that? What is that? Pretty bird? What is that?
What is it?
What?
Mom, there's only two birds that I'm not gonna pet. For one, it's definitely gonna be Bubbles. For two,
That's the Furby talking.
is that Pretty
He
Bird?
likes interacting with the Furby, apparently.
Yeah.
Jojo's not sure what to think. Jojo!
Mom, I think Jojo called the Furby a Pretty Bird. I mean Max. Mom, I think Max called Jojo the Furby a Pretty Bird.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
There's that Furby talking to them. What are you doing, Max? Pretty bird. What is that silly noise?
It's farting.
Can you laugh? What's it saying?
It's saying, Mom, it's saying Spanish. Or, Mom, is it saying English or Spanish?
What was that?
Food? Does anybody want to see how Furby eats?
What's it saying? What do you think, Max? Jojo? Jojo, you're sure being quiet.
We're not hungry. He wants a kiss, Mom. Kiss him, for real.
Max, kiss, kiss. Where's my kiss, kiss? Oh, I need my kiss. Oh, bye, Max.